Welcome back. My name is Abdullahi Okoyemi Falade. In the previous video, we were able to look at how we can use the flash field to pick up the first name. I'm happy to tell you that you can also use the same flash field to pick up the last name. And you just type, just like you did earlier, you just type baby, which is the first name, and you highlight down and press Ctrl E, and you have it for others being picked up. And that's as simple as that. So what you use text to column for, you can also use your flash field for, and you get the same result. However, you need to be very careful. If you're trying to use the flash field, the column has to be next to where you have your full name. For instance, if I want to write the first name, I want to pick up the first name, and I type Adekunle. So if I highlight that and I press Ctrl E, you can see that we have an error. We look at the data next to the selected and didn't see a pattern for filling in the value. So it has to be exactly, immediately the column for the first name has to be the column immediately after the full name. Otherwise, you will not be able to get the right output results. So this is what you should take note of anytime you are using flash fill. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.